Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can close your account on chess.com, so let's get right into it. Now, this is a very easy thing to do and you can very easily remove your account by going into your account settings. So as you can see, I'm logged into my main page on my account and I'm going to go to my account settings. You need to click on the settings tab here at the bottom left, click on all settings, and then you'll arrive at this page. Make sure you're on the profile tab, then scroll all the way down until you see manage account. You click on that, and then from here you will need to confirm your identity first. As you can see, you can manage your data, you can delete certain pieces of data, correct your data, or download the data. However, we'll go down here, and to confirm your identity, just enter your email which you're using, enter the captcha. For some reason, I don't know why this should be the password, but it is what it is. Just click confirm identity, and as you can see now, the close my account option has been shown to us. Now, as you can see, you can close it completely and pretty much, I'm pretty sure it's not permanent. They will keep your data somewhere, so if you want to reopen your account, you can if you contact support. But yeah, you just click here on close my account and then follow the steps and your account will be closed. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.